Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Traveling with Leela. Today I'll be giving you a tour of the Chandannagar Strand. It extends from the Rani Ghat to Patal Bari. At present I am standing beside the Rani Ghat and we'll be slowly walking towards the Patal Bari. Let me tell you a bit about Chandannagar. Chandannagar was established as a French colony in 1673, obtaining permission from Ibrahim Khan, the then Nawab of Bengal, to establish a trading post on the right bank of the river Hooghly. It became a permanent French settlement in 1688. In 1730, Dupleix was appointed governor of the city. The British also reigned over here for some time, but then Chandannagar was handed over to France. Chandannagar was governed as a part of French India until 1950, under the political control of the Governor General in Pondicherry, though India became independent of Britain in 1947. Let me tell you a bit about the name of this place. Some say Chandannagar is possibly derived from the shape of the bank of the river Hooghly, which is bent like a half moon. In Bengali, Chand means moon and Nagar implies city, so originally it was Chandannagar. From the river bank, it looked like a moon-shaped necklace. Local tradition holds that the city was once a major hub of the trade of sandalwood, Bengali Chandan. One more possibility for the name is a temple of goddess Chandi. Earlier, this city was also known as Forashdanga or France Dongi, as it was a French colony. In Bengali, Forash means French and Danga means land. That's the famous clock tower built in 1880. The clock was gifted in 1845. The building then served as a police unit and jail and continues to house the town's police station to this day. College, established in 1862 by the French colonial government as a primary school. It is one of the oldest colleges in Hooghly district. It was initially named as St. Mary's Institution. Later the name was changed to Dupley College in 1901, and later the name was changed to Chandannagar College. At the time of Indian independence movement, this college became a center of revolutionary activities. That's the Durga Charan Rakshit Ghat or Jora Ghat or Chandni Ghat in front of us. Durga Charan Rakshit was a famous businessman and a humanitarian. We weren't able to explore the entire strand and had to rush back to Jollo Street as it was time for us to get inside. I hope to explore Chandannagar soon and show you all the buildings around Strand. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to show you more in my upcoming videos. Till then, please like, subscribe and comment.